About a year ago, I came across a chili paste that said sweet Thai basil chili paste, and so I bought it and absolutely fell in love with it. Since I have access to Thai sweet basil, not holy basil, I might as well make it myself. So I took a look at the ingredients and essentially just replicated it at home. The only difference in my recipe is that I decided to add some lemongrass to it because I love lemongrass, and why not, I thought. So all you need to make your Thai sweet basil sambal, or I suppose Thai sweet basil is Horapa, so in Thai you could say Nam Prik Horapa. You can use whatever red chilies you want, mild or not, completely up to you. And then I'm going to use a tiny piece of garlic, a small clove of garlic, because it's a raw sambal. We shan't be cooking it, so we don't want too much garlic, unless you do. So red chilies, garlic, and then we want some sweet basil leaves. If you're in the UK, Waitrose stocks them, Ocado stocks them. They are pretty easy to propagate too. You can grow them from seed. They don't take long at all to germinate, maybe 1 week. Honestly, I can't remember. I do it every summer. Or dump some stalks into water, and before long, they'll be growing some shoots. If you can't get Thai sweet basil leaves, can you use regular basil? Sure, why not? Make a chili paste with regular basil leaves. So the filling, the chili paste itself, red chilies, Thai basil, and a little bit of lemongrass. Then we want some lime juice. You will need a little bit of salt. You will need a little bit of sugar. So place everything in your chopper. Be a little heavy-handed on the lime juice as well as the sugar. Hot, sweet and sour. That is your typical Thai flavorings. So that's what we're going to go for here. So use it as a condiment with your rice, with your noodles, but it also makes a great cooking ingredient for things like stir fries, whether it's noodles you're frying or vegetables you're frying. It adds flavor and aroma and heat as well. So there you go. Simple Thai sweet basil chili paste. Let me know what you think of it, and I shall see you next time.